Get the party started with these custom cocktail sets. Hi, my name is Krista, and today we're checking out the Vesper 7-piece cocktail set. Set includes a variety of useful cocktail items that are stored in a bamboo holder. This stainless steel barware set includes a dual half-ounce and 1-ounce jigger, bar spoon, knife, ice tongs, Hawthorne strainer, multifunction corkscrew tool, and a 19-ounce cocktail shaker with push-on lid. Also included is a recipe list for 6 different drinks. Your laser-engraved imprint is on the front of the shaker. Show off your brand with this functional and classy cocktail set. It's the Vesper 7-piece cocktail set from 4imprint. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more from 4imprint, check out our recent uploads, related videos at our website,